One of our hooks. They break easily. Quite easily, I might add. Back out there. Well, we know they're in there. We know you're in there. See if we can get them feeding in a chewing mood. That one almost pulled the rod in. Could that be a little? Oh, that feels better. Oh, he got off. Well, they're biting. What else can you say? I couldn't even fish with 2 rods. I had that one hooked. Ooh. They be biting. They be fast and I be slow. Isn't that from the Ghostbusters? They be fast and we be slow. I know it's the other way around. We be fast and they be slow. Where else would you want to live but on the water? You can get up, have a cup of coffee, some breakfast, and start fishing right away. Don't even have to go anywhere. Not anywhere at all. I wonder if some of those little bites are big shiners. I got him. Oh, there's a big brim. Woohoo! That's what we're looking for. God, look at the size of this thing. Oh my gosh. Easy, solid 2.5 pound brim. Look at this thing. Oh. Look at that. That's a brim. Hand up here now. Boy, he put a bend on that rod. Uh-oh. Alright, so that's the bait for later. I'll make a lot of cut bait for later. You see the size of that pig? Oh my gosh. Who wouldn't want to catch giant bluegills or brim like that? I thought that was a catfish when I hooked it. It pulled so hard. Could you imagine catching bluegills and brim that big? I mean, that definitely 2 pounds. Whoa! I got another something or other. Whoa! Whoa! Man! No, no, no. Oh! Man, we got something big, 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 big. Whoa! Oh, he busted the line. That must have been a big gar. Woo! I don't get busted off very often. Man. That had been a big gar. Could have been a big catfish. Man. Woo. Too bad he didn't try the other pull. Man. Oh. This best fishing spot. That's all I can say. Man. What was it? That was big. Probably 30 pounds or better. I saw it break the water a little bit. Just a splash from it. Man. Got right up here atop the water and just busted that line like thread. I think it's 8-pound test on there. I forget what's on there. Man, I haven't been busted off in forever. Not that fast. You see that, people? Jesus. Whoa. I got him again. Oh, whatever it is, I got it. It's back. It's back. Let's see if we can get it up. I got it. What is it? I got it. Whoa, come on, tire yourself out, baby. Wherever you are, we got you. I want to see what it is. Oh, it's a big catfish. Big channel cat. Oh my goodness. 30 pounds. Oh gosh. Well, that's what the other one was. Holy Toledo. Oh. Definitely well over 10 pounds. Coffee to everybody. Whew. I got a pig on here. I can see. I'm going to try to get it up here on board. 10, 15 pound channel cat.
Yeah.
Man, I had just got busted off a second ago on the other rod, and sure enough, it come back. Alright. Oh. I got a whole bunch of people streaming online want to see it.
Yeah, I bet.
On my YouTube channel there. Whoa. Man. Alright, alright, alright. Matthew McConaughey. Come here. You see this one?
Yeah, what is it? Catfish?
Yeah. That's a monster. I'm going to try to get it out of the water. Phew. Streaming it live. Yeah, most people, this would be a catch of a lifetime. Here it's just a daily, monthly occurrence. I couldn't say it happens every day. Alright everybody, wish us luck. Here we go. Come here, you. Well, this is just 10-pound test. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, what a big lip. He said, boink. Aren't worth a damn. Let's try these ones. Hey, come back here. Oh, sweet mercy. Thing gotta go 15 pounds or better. Got himself wrapped up good. Got him on 10-pound test. His bottom's covered with grodies. Some kind of grodies. Oh. Man, this is a pig. Hold still, we're gonna let you go. Hold still. Hey, mellow. He just fell out of his mouth. Ugh. Whew. That is one fat cat. Let's see if we can get him up here to everybody can see it. Yeah. Guess you just gotta pick him up. He's so gross, you don't want to touch him. Ugh. What's that? Contact. Ah! Kerthunk. Bye-bye, fish. Yeah, that's some people be fish of a lifetime. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh, I need to get a breather for a second. Man. Whew. All right.